Hi all, I'm Mario Moraes. I'm trying to explain my tool, MMTools. This time I explain align to what can do with that and all the possibilities. Okay, align, the more basic function is align selected vertex. We can, for example, in Z, if I move up, select the vertex and see we get a line. In the middle value percentage we get not a full align. Okay. The smooth points is different. Okay, we move the points each time I press the button. Okay, we get that smooth curve with that. Okay, we can play more, for example, like this. See? I can choose the axis, for example, here you can move the points like this and press, I get the align vertex, okay? But we can see is not the same. We can do align each one or select all and use spacing. Okay, spacing, move the vertex in equal spacing. See, if I select all these, okay, the middle mouse button is one. What I can do with that? We can repeat the operation one press the middle mouse. Okay. For example, I press select, see, select, press middle mouse and the operation is done. So is a fast way it is a fast way to do repeat operations. Okay, remember to disable this function. Okay, undo that. Undo. What I explain next is, okay, flat operation is to flat. Look, I select this one or this and flat in Z. Okay. Flat operation, sorry, is always in Z. Normal is not influence these buttons. Okay, always is flat is in Z. First point is to choose first or last point I select. Okay, for example, these 3 points, if I press flat, he move to this one. This first flat, move to this one. Okay. Also, I can choose a value flat and move to global value. Okay. For example, 1 meter. Okay. All points are 1 meter. Okay, if this is basic explanation. Now what I add is this one is loop edge. What I can do, I can operate in edge. So I select edge, for example, a ring, and this when this option is on, the tool do a loop for each edge. Okay, for example, pick this one, loop, convert to a vertex, and apply any operation. Okay, for example, so I select a ring, I do a ring, select this operation, do a smooth. Okay, smooth, again. Okay, I get a smooth for each line. I can do in this one, ring, smooth, or a line. If use a line, I get a striped plane. Look, line, off, ring, a line. Okay, look, it's different, but good results too. Now a real case, not a single plane, like this track. Okay, we have aquí we have some problems in this track. For example, I have for some reason we get this problem. So what I can do here, we can, for example, do a loop for this. Okay, and first we need to select, for example, this vertex and align in a straight line. Sorry, I forget to remove the edge operations. See? Okay, we got some, can smooth, forget that. Okay, now we can use the new function. So I use a ring and a line. Okay, another case in the middle, we get some bumps. I use a ring, and in this case we can use smooth. Look, smooth. We must press some clicks. Okay, and we smooth the track each time I press the button. Okay, here we get a smooth or I know this case, for example, we can do the same and this time okay, because now you don't do nothing. Why? Because if I, for example, do a loop here, see, I can get nothing. So we must do a ring in this, for example, like this. So we can use like this method. So we need to select this ring, okay, and we can apply a line. Okay, we get a line, but from here to here. Okay, we change the other side. If apply a smooth, the results are more smooth. See? Okay, so it's important to detach the piece, okay, not apply to whole track, because we change the script, get the first and last point. Okay, now we can explain more options. For example, move to points. What we do to move to points is like a snap in Max, but in the other way. So, for example, we change the road and want to snap the terrain, okay, to the new road. Okay, we need to select the source points. So this edge can do a loop. See, convert to vertex, control, and get the selected vertex. You can add these points. Okay, we can add other selection of points. You can add spline points, mesh, any points. Okay. So you want to move the edge terrain to that points. Okay, now select these points, and if press, you can choose the axis, of course. If press move, you simply snap. Okay, in X or in Z. See? So our axis goes to, whoa, I can move now. Okay. We can select all points and move and snap. We can do like this, select all vertex and move. Okay, but sometimes it's not we need to move all mesh. Okay, so we can use other options. For example, you can select all the points, see, and choose vertex as a group. The tool will interpret all selection as one point. This point, okay. Bottom point is this one, top point is this one, and near point is this one, okay. And far point is this one. So we can choose near and see, move all the points. Okay, but you can do this one by one. It's not an easy task. So we can use a ring like use in a line. So we do a ring selection, okay, and can move all edge of track. Okay, so the tool do is select this edge, do a loop, convert to selection, and apply the function. Okay, so we can do that fast. Ring loop as a group, move and loop. She move all line to the point. Okay, So this one is like this because I move the first one. Okay, so you can move by hand. Okay, edge is only one edge. So we can select the edge and move like I move this point. It's the same. I select point, but in edge. This one is good, for example, for this, but this only applied to one edge. Okay, for example, like this, like curves and some simple mesh. Okay, can move only the one edge. This one is to move objects to the source points. Okay, imagine I have a key, I have a box, a tube, something like this, and I can move the objects or clones to each point. Maybe not a good idea, but we can move. Okay, so we can create a clone of a box for each point. Oh, it's a funny function. Maybe you can use sometimes. Now we can deform the terrain to a spline. Okay, so move to a spline is similar to move to points, but using a spline. So we pick the spline, for example, this one, and we can move the points. Okay, to this spline. So we can press move, and now in Z we can move the points. But this way we get a deformed look. The edge is not straight. Okay, it's not the same direction. And need to move by hand. So to avoid this, we can use cell edge. Okay, so we must select the edge. For example, I can do a ring. Okay, and is a better way to move first for X and Y axis first, look, and then to Z. Why? Because the function works by distance. Okay, so we move distance to put the points behind, and now move to up. Okay, we get a better results. Okay, we can move again, but we not anymore. We can do again with this line. Okay, we can select the edge again, ring, and move again. Automatic is to selection the point if is left or right. Okay, the tool select the closest point of the line. in this case. See, we get move edge and the edge are straight in the same direction. Thank you for watching. I hope the next videos improve my English. Bye bye.